Okay, the moment of truth we are waiting for. So we've actually replaced what we did when we had that engine oil icon or warning lights. What we did one and two, three. So we replaced the engine oil and oil filter. Um, we did the service for that. We also checked the leak. There's no leaks on it, and it still came out. So what we did, we replaced it the sensor for the oil. So now we will check if the problem was actually the third one. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is the key. I'm putting it on. Okay, where is it? There you go. You see it here. Putting the key on. So now let's start it. Let's see if that lights. Oh, look at that! It came off. It came off. It's gone. Look at that. It's gone. See the oil sign is gone. Look at that. Has to be clear, all of it, including the that one is cleared as well. So everything is okay. I just got the look at that, the seat belt, and then brakes. Oh, fine now, fine. Okay, good. So now you know what the problem is and how to solve it. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye. You don't want to miss my video? Make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?